So let us start the session today. Today we are going to start session number 4 of chapter number 12, areas related to circles. And we are going to start the new topic, that areas of combinations of plane figures. This is not a new topic. Nothing is there, only the different types of questions are there. I will give one example. See, suppose मैं यहाँ पे एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ. ओके, सर्कल में एक एक ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ मैं, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. Right, and I have to find this area, this two area I have to find, or I have to find all this green area. So this is the combination of two figure. One is circle and other is right triangle. Question clear hai?
Yes, sir.
This is the combination of two figure. One is the right angle, because this is the diameter and we know that angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So like that, some questions will be there which is the combination of two figures. So we will see some examples also after completing this exercise. The next exercise is 12.3 and we are going to start with the first question. जो अभी मैं जो diagram बनाया था, that is similar to this question. Find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.19 if PQ is equals to 24 centimeter, PR is equals to 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. So if O is the center of the circle, QR is the diameter, and हम लोग को क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में, what we have to do, सर्कल सेमी सर्कल में से ये ट्राइंगल रिमूव करना है. We have to remove the triangle from the semicircle, then we will get this blue colored area, that is shaded area. So in order to find the area of semicircle we should have radius, but here radius is not given. So हम लोग पहले QR निकालेंगे. Before going to find the QR, first of all we have to write this is a 90 degree right angle. Why this is 90 degree?
Angle in semicircle.
Angle in
Right.
semicircle.
Very good. So we know that we have PQ is equals to 24 centimeter, PR is equals to 7 centimeter, and since RQ is diameter of circle, so therefore angle RPQ is equals to 90 degree. Why? Because angle in semicircle is equals to is 90 degree. So in PQR, QR square is equals to RP square plus PQ square. Why?
By Pythagoras theorem.
Right, by Pythagoras theorem. Now we'll substitute the value of RP, that is 7 centimeter, and PQ, that is 24 centimeter. So we'll get 7 square plus 24 square. So what is 7 square?
49.
24 square
49. 576.
plus 49.
625.
Right, 625. Then what is the value of QR?
25 centimeter.
25. Right, fine. 25 centimeter. So QR is figure में क्या है? What is QR?
Diameter.
Right.
Diameter.
Diameter of the circle. Now radius will be 25 by 2. Okay. So अभी हम लोग को shaded region कैसे निकालना है? First I have already discussed that we have to remove triangle from semicircle. Okay. So we will write area of shaded region is equals to area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the area of semicircle?
Half pi r square. Half pi
Very
r.
good. Half pi r square. Now what is the area of this triangle RPQ?
25.
Half into base into height. So RP अगर base लेंगे तो PQ height हो जाएगा, right? So half pi r square minus half into RP into PQ. Now we'll substitute all the values. The value of pi, it is not given in the question, so we'll take 22 by 7 and radius is 25 by 2. So r square है इसलिए दो बार लिख लिए हम लोग, minus 1 by 2 into 7 into 24. So this we can cancel it, 12. So यहाँ पे 12 into 7 84 मिल जाएगा, और यहाँ पर भी ये कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम लोग, 11. और कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है इधर?
तो 7.
7 किससे कैंसिल करेगा?
सर वो लास्ट 7 से.
अरे this is separate term. अभी अभी किससे डिवाइड करेगा 7 को?
किसी से नहीं सर।
नहीं करेगा, ठीक है ना। सो विल गेट, सभी को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 6875 अपॉन 7 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 दैट इज 28। ओके, फिर हम लोग एलसीएम लेंगे, विल टेक एलसीएम 28 इंटू 84 दैट इज 2352। फिर इन दोनों को माइनस करेंगे। ओके, so 4523 upon 28, this answer is given in our NCERT book, back side में यही आंसर दिया, but I told you that don't live in fraction। इसके बाद इसको पूरा डिवाइड करो और up to 2 decimal place इसको आंसर में लिखना है। So final answer is 161.53 centimeter square। Any doubt?
नो सर।
Okay, so now we'll move towards question number 2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में ध्यान से देखो, ये वाला जो फिगर है शेडेड रीजन, द शेडेड रीजन फिगर इज, अभी देखो मैं सबको येलो कर दे रहा हूँ। ओके, दिस एरिया आई हैव टू, दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ द आउटर, द सेक्टर ऑफ बिग सर्कल AOC, और ये जो मैं अभी ग्रीन शेड करने जा रहा हूँ, व्हाट इज दिस?
Sector of small circle.
वेरी गुड। अब मुझे येलो कलर का शेडिंग चाहिए, तो कैसे निकालोगे?
Sector of
OAC minus area of OBD.
Right. So radius of small circle it is given 7 centimeter, and radius of 14 centimeter it is, radius of the bigger circle is given capital R, I am going to take 14 centimeter. Now central angle it is already given 40 degree, that is theta, and now we discussed that the how to find the shaded region, area of the bigger sector that is OAC minus area of the smaller sector। क्लियर? ये दोनों को माइनस करेंगे तो हम लोग को शेडेड रीजन मिल जाएगा। सो सेक्टर का फॉर्मूला, व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर फॉर्मूला?
Pi r square theta by 360.
pi r square
pi
theta
r
by
pi
360
capital R square theta by 360 minus pi small r square theta by 360। What we can take common from these two?
Pi theta by 360.
Right, we'll take pi theta by 360 degree common। Now we'll substitute the value. The value of pi is not given, so we'll take 22 by 7। The value of theta is given 40, so 40 upon 360। 14 square minus 7 square, so 14 square 196 होता है, और 7 square is 49, और ये भी हम लोग चाहे तो यहीं पे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं। ओके, राइट, सो 7 into 9 हो जाएगा 63। एनी डाउट इन दिस स्टेप?
No sir.
Okay, so 196 minus 49 you will get 147। now we'll divide 23 3s are 63 and 21, sorry 21 3s are 63, 21 7s are, so what is the final answer?
154 by 3.
Right,
centimeter.
154 by 3 centimeter square। now in NCERT the final answer is given this one, but I already told you that don't leave the answer in fraction। उसके बाद एक स्टेप और करो, 51.33 centimeter square approx। any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we'll move toward the third question। find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.21 if ABCD is the square, is a square of side 14 centimeter, and APD BPC are the semicircles। so ये पूरे स्क्वायर में अगर ये दो सेमी सर्कल निकाल देंगे तो हम लोग को जो ब्लू कलर का शेडेड एरिया वो मिल जाएगा। क्लियर है? सो व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन? व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन?
Area of ABCD minus area 2 into area of APB and
wait, because this is a square and we know that in square all sides are equal, so these two semicircles are same, okay, are equal in area। so area of square minus area of two semicircles, that will give you the area of shaded region. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So side
Yes,
of
sir.
square is given 14 centimeter and radius of semicircle. ये पूरा जो स्क्वायर का जो साइड है that will be the diameter of the semicircle, so it will be 14 by 2, 7 centimeter. Now area of square is 14 into 14, that is side into side, it is equals to 196 centimeter square, and area of semicircle half pi r square. So we can substitute here only. Pi is 22 by 7 and r square is 7 into 7. We can cancel 1 7, and this also we can cancel. So we'll get 11 into 7, that is 77 centimeter square. Now we'll write that one. Area of two semicircles, 2 into 77, that is 154 centimeter square. तो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड अभी मैंने बताया था, एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर ABCD minus area of two semicircles. So final answer is 196. 196 minus 154. What you are going to get?
42 centimeters.
Right, 42 centimeters square. So this is the final answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. So we'll move towards question number 4. So question number 4 में find the area of the shaded region. जो पूरा फिगर दिख रहा है उसका पूरा एरिया निकालना है. Where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB. So OAB is an equilateral triangle of side 12 centimeter. So what is the value of this angle?
60 degree.
Why 60 degree?
So we equilateral triangle.
Equilateral
Each
triangle.
angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Fine. So we'll start with the radius of circular arc is given 6 centimeter. So ये shaded region का concept clear है ना? Major sector और triangle को add करेंगे तो shaded area मिल जाएगा. So what is the area of equilateral triangle formula?
Root 3 by 4 into 6 by 4.
Root 3 by 4 a square. And you know how to find the area of major sector also? So there are two ways. You can find the value of this angle. Okay, now you after finding that value, you can use directly that formula theta upon 360 into pi r square. Or else area of circle minus area of minus sector. So in that way also you can do. So we'll write first side of equilateral triangle, that is 12 centimeter. So OA is equals to OB is equals to AB is equals to 12 centimeter. And central angle is 60 degree. The reason in equilateral triangle each angle is equals to 60 degree. Now area of major sector, how will you find? Just I told you that you can find in two ways. या तो थीटा डायरेक्ट ये वाला एंगल निकाल के वो वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करो, अदरवाइज एरिया ऑफ सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर. सो व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ सर्कल?
2 pi r.
Pi r square.
पाई आर स्क्वायर. कोई 2 पाई आर भी बोल दिया. सो मेक इट करेक्ट, पाई आर स्क्वायर. एंड व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर?
Pi r square theta by 360.
ओके फाइन. सो इन दोनों में क्या कॉमन है?
Pi r.
Pi r square.
Okay, first what we will do, we will substitute the value of pi and r. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, फिर इसमें से ये सब पूरे कॉमन ले लेंगे. So this also we can write 1 upon 6. So if you take common, यहाँ पे 1 बचेगा और यहाँ पे 1 upon 6 बचेगा. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What you will get if you subtract 1 by 6 from 1?
5 by 6.
Okay,
6.
fine. 5 by 6. Okay, तो यहाँ पर एक 6 हम लोग कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. And 22 into 6 into 5 we will get 22 into 5 110 into 6 660 upon 7 centimeter square. So this is the area of major sector. Now what we have to do, we have to find the area of equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 side square. And what is the length of side?
12 centimeters.
12 centimeters. So root 3 upon 4, 12 into 12. So 1 12 we can cancel with 4. So what we are going to get? 36 root 3 centimeter square. So area of shaded region is equals to area of major sector plus area of equilateral triangle OAP. तो area of major sector मिला था 660 upon 7 plus 36 root 3 centimeter square. NCERT में यही आंसर दिया हुआ है, but my suggestion is that you go up to 2 place decimal. So 660 by 7 को डिवाइड 660 को 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे 36 इंटू अगर ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में जब आया था तो वहाँ रूट 3 का वैल्यू 1.73 था. अगर रूट 3 का वैल्यू मेंशन नहीं है तो यू हैव टू टेक 1.732. सो अभी मैं मान के चल रहा हूँ मेंशन है. ओके, सो दिस इज 94.28 एंड 36 इंटू 1.73. If it is not mentioned, then you have to take 1.732. Okay, so if you multiply these two, you will get 62.28 plus 94.28. Final answer is 156.56 centimeters square. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
sir.
So now we are moving
No, sir.
towards question number 5. Question number 5 में from each corner of square, side 4 centimeter quadrant of circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut, and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut, as shown in figure 12.23. Find the area of the remaining portion. So क्या करेंगे? स्क्वायर में से 4 quadrants माइनस करेंगे और बीच वाला एक सर्कल माइनस करेंगे. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So area of shaded region will be area of square minus area of 4 quadrants minus area of the middle circle. Okay, so सबसे पहले side of the square is given 4 centimeter. So what is the area of square?
16 centimeters.
16
Right,
centimeters.
4 centimeter whole square, that is 16 centimeter square. Now the radius of each quadrant is given 1 centimeter, and we know that the area of one quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square. Okay, you can, if you don't remember this one, you can take sector formula also by taking theta is equals to 90 degree. Okay, so 4 into 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 1 into 1. So 1 4 cancel हो जाएगा, and what we are going to get finally?
22 by 7.
Right, 22 by 7 centimeter square. So this is the area of 4 quadrants. Now area of the circle at the center, and the diameter is given 2 centimeters. So what will be the radius of the center circle? Middle
1
circle?
centimeter.
1
1
centimeter.
Okay, so this is 22 by 7 into 1 into 1. So this is also equals to 22 by 7 centimeter square. Now area of the remaining, I just now told you that from square we have to subtract, from square, this is the square, we have to subtract area of 4 quadrants, area of middle circle. Okay, so this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now we are going to substitute area of square, that is 16 minus 22 by 7 minus 22 by 7. So this will become minus 44 by 7. तो इसमें LCM लेंगे हम लोग 112 minus 44 upon 7. So final answer which is given in your NCERT book is 68 upon 7 centimeter square. But I told you that you keep up to 2 decimal place. और एक चीज़ है, अगर क्वेश्चन में √3 का वैल्यू नहीं, क्वेश्चन में पाई का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है 3.14, तो यहाँ पे पाई 3.14 तो हम लोग का कुछ ऐसा आ जाएगा. सो वहाँ पे आंसर मिलेगा 79.72. ठीक है, ये क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
ओके, अगर नहीं दिया है तो हम लोग को फिर डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. डिवाइड करने से 9.714 अप्रॉक्स सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर आ रहा है. तो यू कैन स्टॉप इट अप टू 9.71 बिकॉज वी कांट राइट 9.72. केवल पाई का वैल्यू 3.14 दिया है, then only it will be equals to 9.72 exactly. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
We'll move towards next question, question number 6. Now this is very important and very good question. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle. So this ABC triangle is an equilateral triangle in the middle as shown in the figure. So find the area of the design shaded region, this design region. So क्या करेंगे हम लोग? What we will do? We will remove triangle from the circle. So what is the area of design? Area of circle minus area of equilateral triangle ABC. Whether this is clear? What we have to do?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. So we'll start with the radius of table cover is given 32 centimeter. Okay. And we will draw one AD perpendicular to BC. We will draw AD perpendicular to BC. And OA is equals to 32 centimeter. Okay. And we know that in an equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle में median, altitude और perpendicular bisector, angle bisector ये सारे same होते हैं. Okay. And O is the centroid also, orthocenter also. Orthocenter means point of intersection of altitudes, all the three altitudes. Circumcenter also. Circumcenter is the center, is the point of intersection of all the perpendicular bisector of three sides. And centroid, all point of intersection of all the three medians of a triangle. Centroid, circumcenter, in-center is the point of intersection of all the angle bisector, internal angle bisector of all the three interior angles. And one more is left, orthocenter. So वो सारे सेम होते हैं. तो अभी मुझे केवल इसको सेंट्रॉइड और सर्कमसेंटर को लेना है. इसलिए I will write, we know that median and altitude of an equilateral triangle are same. Also centroid, circumcenter are same. And centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1, which we have already seen in chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. So AO upon OD will be equals to 2/1. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And what is the value of AO?
2.
2.
2.
2 32.
32.
Right. So 32 upon OD is equals to 2. So what is the value of OD?
16.
16. Very good. 16 centimeter. So now what is the value of AD? ये दोनों को ऐड करने से कितना मिलेगा?
48 centimeters.
Right. 48 centimeter. अब in class 9th you have studied that height of an equilateral triangle, उसका भी एक formula था. √3 upon 2 into side A. Okay. So that formula we are going to use. So √3 upon 2A is equals to 48, where A is the side of an equilateral triangle. So इन दोनों को multiply करो. Okay. 48 into 2 now divided by √3. ठीक है. √3 को डायरेक्ट अगर डिवाइड करेंगे तो 16 √3 आएगा यहाँ पर. Otherwise you can rationalize and divide it. So we'll get 32 √3. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
हाँ, ये पूरा क्यों कर रहे हैं हम लोग? Why we are doing all this? To find the side of an equilateral triangle. क्योंकि concept तो पहले हम लोग को clear हो गया. We got that the concept that we have to subtract area of equilateral triangle from the circle. Circle के लिए radius दिया हुआ है, so we can find the area of circle. But for equilateral triangle we should know the side of an equilateral triangle. ठीक है, तभी हम लोग फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं. √3 upon 4 साइड स्क्वायर. ओके. अब दूसरे बुक में, बहुत सारे बुक में ये वाला मेथड भी दिया हुआ है. थोड़ा ध्यान से देखो, which I am going to explain right now. अभी ये एंगल कितना है? What is this value of this angle?
60 degrees.
60 डिग्री. So इस एंगल का वैल्यू कितना होगा?
30 degree.
डबल होगा, 120. ठीक है, क्योंकि एंगल सबटेंड बाय एन आर्क एट द सेंटर इज डबल द एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय द सेम आर्क एट एनी पॉइंट ऑन द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कल. so this will be 120, तो ये 60 हो जाएगा. ओके, ये 60 हो जाएगा और ये 30 हो जाएगा. If you remember, we used one trigonometry in solving one type of question. 120 डिग्री आया था, याद है? उससे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, BD निकालेंगे. We'll find the value of BD. उसके बाद BD निकालने के बाद उसको into 2 करेंगे तो BC निकल जाएगा. So वो मेथड भी है बहुत सारे बुक में. That also you can use. जैसे मैं अगर sin 60 ले रहा हूँ, sin 60, ध्यान से देखो, sin 60. So what is the value of sin 60?
√3 by 2.
√3/2.
And here BD upon OB. And what is the value of OB? What is the
32.
value of
32
OB?
centimeters.
हाँ, OB कितना है, रेडियस है ना, so that
32
is 32,
centimeter.
right, 32. So इससे देखो हम लोग को BD is equals to 16√3 मिल जाएगा. So BC will be 16√3 into 2. So trigonometry यूज करना इजी लग रहा है कि ये वाला इजी है? Which one is easy?
सर दोनों ही इजी है सर.
नहीं, अभी ये वाला ज़्यादा लंबा इसलिए लग रहा है कि I wrote each and every step, but here I have not written any steps because you have to show this angle is first you have to show this is 60 degree each angle of an equilateral triangle, then this is equals to 120 degree. उसके लिए बड़ा statement लिखना पड़ेगा. Angle subtended by an arc at the center. फिर एक statement लिखना पड़ेगा कि जो altitude और median जो होता है वो same होता है और the perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisects the chord and bisects the angle subtended by the chord. तब ये 60-60 लिखोगे और ये 60 हुआ, then by using some angle property will get any of this 30 is not required. तब हम लोग ये यूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, थोड़ा लेंदी है ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यूज करोगे तो. ओके, एनी हाउ whether A is equals to 32√3 is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now we'll write area of design is equals to area of circle minus area of triangle ABC. Area of circle formula pi r square and area of triangle ABC formula
√3
Half
into
into
side.
BC into AD.
no. अभी AD छोड़ो अभी. Half √3/4 side square. Okay, so that formula also you can use, half into BC into AD also, same answer you will get. So 22/7 into 32 into 32 minus √3/4 into 32√3 into 32√3. ओके, और ये पूरा मल्टीप्लाई करके डिवाइड बाय 7 लिखेंगे हम लोग. सो 22,528/7. ये एक तो हम लोग कैंसिल कर लेंगे. इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई this one you will get 768√3 centimeter square. So this is the final answer which is given in our NCERT. But I told you that you substitute the value. If value is not given, you have to substitute √3 is equals to 1.732. That is the default value. तो अभी मैं ये मान के चल रहा हूँ कि वैल्यू मेंशन नहीं है. So that is why इन दोनों को डिवाइड करके यहाँ पे आंसर लिख दिया हूँ और √3 के जगह पे 1.732. Now I will multiply these two. So 1330.818 आ गया. फिर ये दोनों subtract करेंगे, we'll get the final answer. That is 1888.11 centimeter square. Otherwise, according to NCERT, this is the final answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we are moving towards question number 7. इस एक्सरसाइज में सारे क्वेश्चंस इंपॉर्टेंट है. कोई ना कोई एक क्वेश्चन हमेशा हर बोर्ड एग्जाम में आया है. सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस एक्सरसाइज इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट विद कंपेयर टू अदर टू एक्सरसाइज. सो इन फिगर 12.25 ABCD is a square of sides 14 centimeter with centers A, B, C and D. 4 circles are drawn. Okay, such that each circle touches externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन, दिस एरिया। तो अभी ABCD स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर में से ये 4 क्वाड्रेंट होंगे बिकॉज ईच एंगल इज 90 डिग्री। सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू रिमूव 4 quadrants from square, so we'll get the shaded region. So उसको स्टेटमेंट में कैसे लिखेंगे, एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर ABCD माइनस एरिया ऑफ 4 quadrants. एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
ओके, अभी यहाँ पर रेडियस नहीं दिया हुआ है, सो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड। बिफोर दैट साइड ऑफ ए स्क्वायर इज गिवन 14 सेंटीमीटर, सो रेडियस यहाँ पे 7 हो जाएगा। क्यों? Why radius is equals to 7? Because the length of AB, okay, length of AB is equals to 14 centimeter, और ये सारे जो सर्कल्स हैं they are same circles, so सभी को R ले लो, so 2R is equals to 14, so R will be equals to 7 centimeter. Now central angle is 90 degree. Just now I told you that each angle is 90 degree. You can take either quadrant directly, that is half 1 by 4 pi r square, otherwise you can use the sector formula. So each angle of square is equals to 90 degree. Next, area of square 14 into 14, it is equals to 196 centimeter square. Next, area of 4 quadrants, 4 into pi r theta upon 360. So we'll substitute all the values, 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 90 upon 360. This we can cancel it. ये भी 4 cancel कर सकते हैं और एक 7 हम लोग cancel कर सकते हैं. So we'll get 154 centimeter square. Okay. So area of square भी मिल गया और area of 4 quadrants भी मिल गया. So final answer, area of required area, shaded area is equals to area of square minus area of 4 quadrants. So 196 minus 154, final answer कितना आएगा?
42 centimeter square.
Right, 42 centimeter square. Any doubt in this question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards last question of today's session, that is question number 8. Figure 12.26 depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. एक बार diagram देख लो. And the distance between two inner parallel lines is 60 meter. ये वाला 60 meter है, देखो यहाँ पर. And they are each 106 meter long. So this one, यहाँ से यहाँ तक. If the track is 10 meter wide, the width of track, this width, सब जगह पे, all around the track, the width is 10 meter. Find the distance around the track along its inner edge. Inner edge means हम लोग को क्या निकालना पड़ेगा, देखो, एक ये सेमी सर्कुलर आर्क और एक ये सेमी सर्कुलर आर्क, and these two parallel lines, ये वाला और ये वाला. ठीक है, we will take the distance of this one, but before that what we have to find the radius of this semicircle. तो ध्यान से देखो, we'll start with AB is equals to DC is equals to 106 meter. Next AF, ध्यान से देखो, AF ये जो width है, BE this width, CG this width, and HD, all these width are 10 meter, and diameter of inner circle is this one, 60. ये clear है? 60. This is the diameter. So radius कितना होगा inner semicircle का?
30
Yes,
meter.
30 meter. अभी outer का diameter कितना होगा बताओ? Okay, leave it.
80.
Wait. Outer radius कितना होगा? सिर्फ इतना ऐड करना पड़ेगा. What is the length of this one?
10 meter.
10.
10 meter.
So what is the outer radius?
40.
Right, 40. So R plus 10, that is 40 meter. सो हम लोग को रेडियस ऑफ इनर सेमी सर्कल भी मिल गया, आउटर सेमी सर्कल भी मिल गया। अब ध्यान से देखो, what we have to find the distance around the track along its inner edge. So उसके लिए हम लोग को क्या क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा, दो पैरेलल लाइन ऐड करना पड़ेगा, this one and this one, that is AB plus DC and BRC semicircle or APD semicircle. So whether this is clear, circumference of semicircle BRC, circumference of semicircle DPM. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Okay. So what is AB और CD दोनों सेम है, तो इसलिए हम लोग 2 times AB लिख लेंगे, and these two circumference are same equal, so we'll write 2 times of circumference of semicircle BRC. Now next step. So 2 times of AB is 2 into 106 and 2 into circumference of semicircle is pi r. So we'll get 2 pi r. So 212 plus 2 pi r. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll substitute the value of pi and r. R कितना है 30 और pi का वैल्यू 22/7. कुछ भी कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे. So we'll take LCM. Okay, so 2 into 22 into 30, if you multiply all this we'll get 1320/7. फिर उसके बाद LCM लेंगे, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 1484 plus 1320/7. So finally we'll get 2804/7 meter. So this is the answer given in NCERT, but I told you that you divide and write up to 2 decimal place. So we'll get 400.57 meter. Any doubt in first bit?
No, sir.
Okay. Now second bit.
No, sir.
Second bit we have to find the area of all track. तो ध्यान से देखो, ट्रैक को मैं डिवाइड कर रहा हूं. So we are getting 2 rectangles. देखो, ये रेक्टेंगल है और ये भी रेक्टेंगल है, ABEF and this is CDHG. What is the area of rectangle?
L into B.
Length into breadth. Fine. So ये एरिया हम लोग आराम से निकाल सकते हैं. So again for this area what we will do, area of outer semicircle minus area of inner semicircle. So second bit will start, area of track is equals to area of rectangle ABFE, okay, plus area of this region 1, this is region 1, and area of rectangle CGHD and area of region 2, this is region 2, okay, and these two rectangles are same and these two regions are same. So we'll take 2 into rectangle ABCD. No. 2 into rectangle ABEF. Wait, I will do the correction. ABEF, not ABCD. Usually we used to type है ना, तो ABCD साथ में type हो गया. ठीक है. And 2 into area of rectangle ABEF, 2 into area of any one region. So I took region 2. Okay. So 2 into what is the rectangle area? This is 10 and this is 106. So 106 into 10. Okay. And 2 into area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. This is the area of region second. So semicircle का formula,
pi r square by 2.
right? So 2 into pi capital R square by 2 outer circle, outer semicircle, minus pi small r square by 2. So we can take 2 common and we can cancel with this 2. अगर half हम लोग common लेंगे तो इससे cancel हो जाएगा. And what we are going to get if we multiply this? 2120. Okay, final. अगर ये दोनों हम लोग इंटू करते हैं तो. So pi into capital R square minus small r square. What is capital R? 40. Small r is 30. and the value of pi is 22/7. We'll substitute. Now 40 square 1600 minus 900. So what is 1600 minus 900?
700.
Right. So फिर ये cancel कर सकते हैं?
100.
Yes. So 2120 plus 2200. So final answer.
4,320 meters square.
Right, 4,320 meters square. So hence the area of track is equals to 4,320 meters square. So this is very important question for this year. Now this is the last question. I'm moving towards the next section, that is assignment question. So only two questions are there. One question is related to, that is track question. लेकिन इसमें हम लोग को area of track निकालना है and the length of outer boundary, बाहर का. Okay, and in the second question you have to find this area, the orange one. Okay, so you have to complete these two questions, and that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.